Hi. It's very windy today. And do you know what happens when so much snow around and it's really windy? Well, I'm gonna tell you. The snow falls from the trees and falls on me. It stopped now, but hopefully you can see it soon. It's really hard to walk in the forest. Snow keeps falling on your head and just ugh. It's also snowing a little bit, I think. And maybe it's not just the wind. I think the snow is melting a bit. And that makes a dangerous forest. Very dangerous. A lot of snow is falling down there. Look at those lights. Dora! See how much wind it is? This falls. That's better. Let's go inside. What was that? Stupid dog. Stop annoying Dora.